Hey everyone, it's David, Marketing Manager at Thera Wellness. Our Thera Wellness device can do a lot of cool things, but today I want to talk about the nutrient point programs. These correspond to acupuncture points around the body, each associated with a certain nutrient. Sometimes, health concerns can arise from too much or too little of a given nutrient, and when this is the case, providing energetic support to these points can help the body absorb more of a substance or cleanse the excess. From the Thera Wellness device's main menu, we can select nutrient programs, and then from here we can see a list of the nutrient point programs that are on the machine, and we can select the program or programs we'd like to run, and then a few screens later the device will suggest where we can place applicators. As a general rule, we place the knob applicator or the gold finger on the acupuncture point, and we place the output modulation mat along the spine. Today I'm going to run the nutrient points for vitamin B12 and vitamin D because I know I'm low in those. And then I'll scroll up here and I'll add some magnesium because a lot of people are deficient in it, and it's hard to know whether you are or aren't until you supplement. So now that I have all three selected, I'm going to go enter, and here we see our three programs. And then if we go in and hit enter again, I can see that where it's recommending here, and we can see that each program has a different applicator location. So we can go back, and then I'm going to add a pause after each program so I can change where I put the applicators. So I'll add a pause here, and add a pause here. And now that I'm ready to go, now that we're all set, I'll place the knob applicator here for the vitamin B12 program, and I'll hit the channel 1 button to start the session. When you're doing this for real, you should place it on the skin, but I'm doing it over clothes for clarity. We're at our first pause, so I'm going to move the knob applicator over here for the vitamin D nutrient point. And I'll press channel 1 to restart the session. Now that vitamin D is done, I'll swap out the knob applicator for the gold finger applicator, which I'll place in my belly button and press right. And I'll press channel 1 one more time to run the last program.